Here's a 2014 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.